1990 Ford Bronco Full Size, Eddie Bauer edition, 4x4. A rare truck. This thing has a paint job's about a couple of years old. It's decent. They painted the top also. It's got the 5.8 AC and power windows, decent tires, runs and drives great. It's not a show truck, but it's a nice truck. We sell and we ship worldwide. We finance nationwide. Please visit our website for more information on that. Nice aluminum aftermarket wheels, nice touch. I'm working on the back window. Got the window motor out for repair. As soon as it comes back, I'll install it, get the window rolled down, and get the rear door open, tailgate. So I'll put some pictures online as soon as that's done. Got a lot of people waiting for pictures and videos, so I want to get this done as soon as possible. So our information right there, name of the company, phone number, and website. It's a Texas truck, so it's in decent shape overall. A couple little cracks in the dash. All original. Interior anyway. Back seat. Power windows, they work great. Top's in excellent shape. As I said, they painted that also. Car shows 50,000 miles on a 5-digit odometer. So you go ahead and do your homework on that. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. There we go. As I said, it's got the 5.8, running good. AC's on, nice and cold. No mods, just factory original. If you've never had one of these Broncos, these things are listed going for these days for in the 20s and 30s, done right, show quality. This one's just a nice truck. It's going to be priced accordingly. Thanks for watching.